After so many reports of Uber essentially lying to drivers about their pay, Uber CEO really getting called out for lying about how drivers can make $39 an hour, when in reality, that was just from the top 20 cities during utilized hours, and most drivers, according to third-party services or third-party data, is, you know, making less than 15 bucks an hour after expenses. Drivers are going on strike. Drivers are fed up with this. So we're gonna get into it. This is going on right now. Before I do get started, I wanna tell you all, Solo, it's the business app for gig workers. They help you manage your income, track your expenses, and guarantee your pay. You can sign up right now totally for free anywhere in the country, and until the end of the month, so you got 2 or 3 days left, end of August, they're gonna send you $15 just for signing up for free. A really cool guaranteed pay feature as well, where you can get $37, $38 in a single hour, and they will guarantee that you make that. If you go out and drive and you don't make that, they will pay you the difference. That's how cool they are, Solo. So sign up totally for free. They're gonna send you $15 until the end of the month. If you sign up after that, it goes down to 10. So you gotta sign up with our link your gig account, and they will send you out that $15. So look at this, e-hailing drivers are on strike for 2 days. I'm assuming they don't wanna say Uber because legal reasons? I don't know. They're demanding an end to the freeze on the issue of new operating permits. Uber and Bolt drivers stopped work this week, demanding an end to a freeze on operating permits and a drop in the percentages taken off by the pay. The drop in the percentages, so Uber's taking more money. Uber's like, give me more, we're so greedy. Uber CEO, what's his name? Dara Khosrowshahi. He's like, you know what? I'm only worth 250 million bucks. He's like, my base salary for driving for Uber is only $45 million. He's like, I need more money. Let me take more money from struggling, homeless, single family, under the poverty line drivers. Those are the people I need money from. You think this is a great guy? I mean, come on, he's making 45 mil a year, base salary. His net worth is 250 mil. And he's like, you know, he's like laughing when he's asked about driver pay. I mean, this is why drivers don't like Uber CEO.
Important, you know, if not the most important topic to drivers. So I think the added flexibility, same pay sounds great. But you know, in a Bloomberg interview you did a couple months ago, you mentioned that drivers were earning $39 an hour during utilized hours, right? Which would be period 2 and 3. So, you know, we posted a clip on YouTube, very popular, but there was also a lot of skepticism about this figure. So I'm curious, what do you think?
Look at him, he's like, ha 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 ha.
About the state of driver earnings right now, and you know, what should they expect?
I mean, this is a really serious question, right? What do you think about the state of driver earnings? He knows drivers are homeless. He knows drivers can't even afford their rent. A lot of drivers are making $0, negative dollars after income. And look at his response.
Going forward.
Yeah, so I understand the skepticism, but you should understand, like, we're not gonna lie about this stuff.
Look at him, he's laughing. He's like, ha 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 ha. You, all these drivers, I'm worth 250 mil, and I mean, look at this. This Uber Eats driver, I don't know if you guys saw this. Uber Eats driver saying he said he made 37 cents in 4 hours. Uber Eats driver, he's like, Uber Eats drivers are only making 37 cents? I'm worth 250 mil, bro. I get paid $45 million a year. I mean, what is that? $45 million. Divide that by 52 weeks. He's making $865,000 a week. Do you guys realize how much money that is? What does the average driver make? Maybe, I mean, when I'm driving full time, I make what, 600, 800 bucks a week? I mean, that's really driving 40 hours a week. After expenses, what, 300-400 bucks? He's making $865,000 a week. And he has the audacity to laugh at driver pay. He goes, So these drivers are fed up. These are the vehicles belonging to drivers for Uber, Bolt, and InDriver who are not able to get their permits because of a freeze on the issue of new permits by the city. Uber drivers are on strike on Wednesday and Thursday, demanding an end to the freeze. I mean, this is going on all over the world, all over the world, basically. This is in Cape Town. I mean, drivers in the United States. I honestly feel like Uber should pay drivers way more, twice as much, 10 times as much. I think Uber's getting away with outsourcing all of their expenses to drivers, struggling drivers who really need the money. Uber CEO really came out and said, oh, inflation's great for us. We love inflation because, you know, people need money, so they end up signing up for Uber. We can cut rates. I mean, they didn't say this part, but it's basically like, we can cut rates all we want because at the end of the day, there's gonna be 10 people lining up to drive for Uber who can't pay their rent because, you know, things are so expensive. And then by the time they realize that, oh crap, I'm paying for all the maintenance of my car, my car just went completely down in value, just destroyed my entire biggest asset that I have. I'm upside down on my car loan. I'm paying for gas up the wazoo. And, you know, I'm paying every mile depreciation, wear and tear in my car. I gotta replace 4 of my tires. I gotta do oil changes every other month, blah, blah, blah. Once the driver realizes that and quits, you got 10 more people signing up. I'm sorry, guys. So, I think Uber should really, I'm upset. I'm frustrated. Okay, I'm gonna end the video there. Please sign up for Solo. I'm begging every single Uber driver right now, Lyft driver, DoorDash driver, Uber Eats, whatever app you drive for. Sign up for Solo. They're sending you 15 bucks totally for free. You get access to a guaranteed pay feature. You gotta sign up, link your gig account. You get the $15 in your bank account or in your Venmo or PayPal. And they help you track your expenses, track your taxes, track your miles. And yeah, it's really the best app for drivers right now. So Solo down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye now.